Homemade natural painkillers and boosting your immune system. Recipe No. 1. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more multi-recipes and cookery tutorials. Today, we are going to make a soothing ginger turmeric tea. This natural tea is perfect for beginners and uses simple, affordable ingredients. It's great for relieving pain and boosting your immune system. Let's get started. Section 1, Ingredients. To make our homemade soothing ginger turmeric tea, we need just a few simple ingredients. Here's what you'll need. Fresh ginger root, about 1-inch piece. Fresh turmeric root, about 1-inch piece, or ½ teaspoon ground turmeric. 1 cinnamon stick or ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon honey, or to taste. 1 lemon, optional, for a citrusy touch. 2 cups of water. You can find these ingredients easily at your local grocery store. Now that we've gathered our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. Section 2, Preparation. First, let's prepare the ginger and turmeric roots. Start by peeling the fresh ginger and turmeric roots with a spoon or a small knife. Once peeled, slice them into thin rounds or small chunks. If you're using ground turmeric, you can skip this step. Next, let's bring a pot of water to a boil. We need about 2 cups of water for this recipe. Once the water is boiling, add the sliced ginger and turmeric roots, or ground turmeric, to the pot. These 2 roots are key ingredients for the tea's soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. For an extra touch of warmth and flavor, add the cinnamon stick, or ground cinnamon, to the pot. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. This will allow the flavors and health benefits of the roots and cinnamon to infuse into the water. Section 3, Final Touches. While the tea is simmering, let's talk about the optional addition of lemon. Lemon adds a refreshing, zesty flavor and a boost of vitamin C. If you want to add lemon to your tea, go ahead and slice a lemon into wedges. After 10 minutes of simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for a couple of minutes to cool slightly. Then, strain the tea into a cup to remove the ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon. Add honey to taste. Honey not only sweetens the tea but also adds its own soothing properties. If you want, you can also squeeze a wedge of lemon into your cup for that extra zing. Stir well and enjoy your homemade soothing ginger turmeric tea. Section 4, Benefits and Serving. This tea is not only delicious, but it's also packed with health benefits. Ginger and turmeric are known for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. They can help soothe sore throats, ease digestive issues, and boost your immune system. Cinnamon adds a touch of warmth and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Honey provides natural sweetness and additional soothing effects, while lemon adds vitamin C and a refreshing flavor. Serve the tea hot, especially if you want to maximize its soothing effects. You can also let it cool and serve it over ice for a refreshing summer drink. Either way, it's a great tea to enjoy any time of the day. There you have it. Our homemade soothing ginger turmeric tea is ready to enjoy. It's an easy and affordable recipe that beginners can whip up in no time. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how you like it. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookery channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers!